In memory of Meredith Reiser. We ask that you remember Meredith for the person she was to you as well as others. A daughter, a wife, a mother, a grandmother, and a friend. Meredith lived to be 90 years old, and her family believes her good health and mindset throughout their years can be attributed to her healthy lifestyle and her most favorite activities, such as reading, volunteering at the Family Justice Center, grabbing a bite to eat with friends, traveling, visiting her children, watching her grandchildren, and going for long walks with her dogs. Please join us in celebrating Meredith's life at a Catholic funeral mass, a burial service, and brunch. Meredith's family would like to thank everyone for their loving support during this difficult time. May she finally be at peace.